Welcome, Agile friends. My name is Esther Schmid, and I'm hosting this session with our amazing speaker, Miquel Rodriguez. In this session, we'll learn about designing adaptive organizations. Welcome, Miquel.
Thank you, Esther.
Yes. Can you introduce yourself in one sentence?
My name is Miquel Rodriguez. I'm the consulting director of Netmind, a company based in Barcelona and Madrid. And now we are part of a larger company called BTS with headquarters in Stockholm, but we have around 35 offices all over the world. And we do consulting and specialized training in different areas. I'm specialized in innovation and digital transformation.
Great. Thank you for that nice short introduction.
Thank you.
So at least the audience knows a little bit who they're looking at. So as mentioned in this session, we'll learn all about designing adaptive organizations. And there's also other sessions at the Online Summit 2023, and don't miss those. For example, Christina will have a session on redefining refinements. And you can check out other sessions at agileonlinesummit.com. But now it's time to focus on our guest, Miquel, and our topic for this session. So, Miquel, in your title, you state that we will learn, it says that we will learn about designing adaptive organizations. Can you explain to us why one should become an adaptive organization?
Thank you, Stella. That's a great question. And I think that question, when you state this question in 2023, it's really different when you ask for that about 3 years ago. So when the coronavirus was spread all over the world and we had this all our confination, we needed to change our way of working. We needed to adapt to this new situation radically in a really short time. So these kind of events that may happen from time to time shows which companies can survive by adapting or which ones cannot. It doesn't need to be something so radical as what we experienced 3 years ago. It can be just a market change, that the market trends go to other area or market crisis. Or maybe you have a great idea and you think, this is my window, my opportunity to get the most of that idea. Am I fast enough to stop what I'm doing and start doing some other things? Can I adapt in order to fulfill this great idea that I had? Or, for example, in the last months, we've experienced a great explosion of using artificial intelligence. So are we taking advantage of that? This time it's artificial intelligence, but any new technology can be disruptive in the market. And the main reason is our customers. If our customers have a new request, a new idea, are we adaptive enough in order to fulfill this need? So I would summarize because of that, for market changes, for new ideas that you came up with, new technologies that you can take advantage, and most of all, being customer-centric and listening and adaptive to what your customer needs.
Hey, well, thank you. But I think there's a difference then between the need, like the need. Well, when we had Corona, there was really a need to be adaptive.
Absolutely, yeah.
You had no other choice. But I think there's other areas where you can be adaptive or should be adaptive, where the need doesn't feel as urgent. Do you understand? Is that correct to say?
Yeah, sometimes the needs are there, and sometimes it doesn't matter if it takes a little bit more time for you, because other competitors may be also slow, but companies are starting to respond faster to those market changes, respond faster to those customer needs. So at some point, if there's no one else doing this, okay, you can continue, but competition is